pag nasa cafe. Tapos ang daming interesting na appetizers and dips. Yun mismo ang peg ng class natin. Pero this time, gagawin natin siya sa ating mga kusina. At ang pinaka-okay, pwede mo siyang gawing negosyo. Baked spinach dip. Super creamy, cheesy, at comforting. Lagay mo lang sa oven, serve with bread or crackers, and ayun, instant hit sa kahit anong salo-salo. Cheese pimiento. Ito talaga ang best seller ko. My personal recipe, classic pimiento spread. Pero mas may character, pang sandwich, pang merienda, o kahit pang negosyo, tub by tub. Swak sa panlasa ng Pinoy. Tinapa pate. Medyo syala pakinggan pero sobrang Pinoy ang puso. Yung smoky tinapa turned into a smooth, flavorful spread. Perfect with pandesal or crostini. Hindi mo akalain na homemade. Spicy honey pepper spread. Sweet and spicy with that roasted pepper flavor. Wow na wow agad. Pwede sa crackers, sa cheese board, or kahit pang sauce sa mga grilled meat. Chorizo Ricardo dip. Kung gusto mo ng bold and hearty, ito yun. May Spanish flair, may Pinoy soul, masarap with bread, pero promise, kahit kanin, pwede. Dulong in olive oil, tiny fish, big flavor. Medyo gourmet ang dating, pero sobrang relatable. Pwede mong gawing bottled product, pang regalo, or extra income idea. And lastly, the cheese balls. A creamy, savory cheese ball spread that's rich in flavor and perfect for dipping or spreading on crackers, bread, or veggies. And if naghahanap ka ng bago for your negosyo or gusto mo lang i-level up yung isi-serve mo sa iyong pamilya, these dips and spreads will do the trick. Cafe style, flavorful, and definitely profitable. Join me at the Bailiwick Academy and let's make business and entertaining a whole lot tastier.